The SOLIDWORKS Composer training class is a 3-day instructor-led program meant to help you streamline and elevate the process of creating technical documentation to support your designs and products. Here's what you learn. We start with the fundamentals, where you learn how to work with the tools and create views. Then we dive into using advanced tools to add more details to the documentation, add clarity to the design with exploded views, and even add annotations to make things incredibly clear and easy to understand. Then we work with updates to help you save time so you can easily adapt to inevitable model changes instantly, accelerating your workflow. Finally, we get into advanced content so you can create things to wow your customers, including things like interactive content and even animations. With this course, in just 3 days, you'll be creating next-level technical content in no time at all. Sign up today to get started.